In this video, we'll go over the process of attesting US documents for use in the UAE. Are you moving to the UAE? Maybe you're living there and need to bring a partner over or start a business. Whether you're moving to the UAE from the US, or you're there already, at some point you'll have to go through the process of attestation. Sometimes known as authentication in the US, it's a process that helps verify documents from one country for use in another, so everyone knows that the documents are legitimate. How do you authenticate a US document for the UAE? Attesting a US document for the UAE can be especially complex because each state has its own rules and regulations on how things must be done. No two states follow the same process. With all the different permutations, it's difficult to definitively say how the process works. Instead, we'll outline the general process that all US documents need to go through to be attested for the UAE. The first step will be to have the document certified. The second step is to get the document authenticated in the issuing state by the Secretary of State. After state-level authentication, U.S. documents need to be authenticated on a federal level as well, by the Department of State in Washington. Once the document has been through both federal and state-level processes, it's finally ready to be stamped by the UAE Embassy. The final step is to have your document attested by the Ministry of Foreign Affairs in Dubai, more commonly known as MOFA. Do U.S. documents have to be translated for use in the UAE? Sometimes, but not always. When attesting in the US, there's never an easy answer. If you're having trouble, or just need a helping hand, feel free to call us. While we've outlined the general process for attesting a US document for the UAE, things can change drastically between states, as I mentioned before. There can be literally hundreds of permutations based on where your documents were issued, who issued them, and what type of documents you have. Don't worry, vital certificates are on hand to help. We've been dealing with attestation since 2006, so you can trust we have the knowledge and the experience to help, no matter how complicated your situation.